If you're a fan of the Olive Garden Zuppa Toscana Soup, then you're going to love this low carb and healthy version. You'll want about 2 cups of chopped kale. Remember to tuck your fingers under so that you don't end up cutting yourself. Potatoes are an important part of this soup, but if you really want to save on carbs, you could either leave it out or add a daikon radish. Rinse the potatoes well after cutting. If you like recipes like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Render the bacon until it's crispy, but leave the bacon fat in the pan. Cook the onions for about 3 minutes before adding the garlic. If you add the garlic first, it will burn and make everything taste bitter. This mushroom powder can be found at Target, but I'll leave links in the description for all the products I've used. The traditional recipe calls for sausage, but I use ground beef because that's what I had. Add your favorite spices, but I added mushroom powder, red chili flakes, Italian spice, salt, and black pepper. Finish with Parmesan cheese.